Welcome to Hayden's World. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a day in the life of a farmer. Let's get right into this.
First thing usually what I'll do is feed the chickens first.
Feed them. Oh, we're going to feed the chickens. They're pretty hungry.
Just throw it out there on the ground.
Ooh, that's wobbly.
I think we'll give you another one.
Do they like this stuff?
Bird seed.
Smells like it. Time to gather some eggs. Almost angry.
Oh, that's it. Drop it on the ground.
I'm sorry, that one scared me. Board or something? I can just like nudge it.
No, you just gotta use your
My
hand.
hand is gonna peck me. Oh, you have to just do it quickly.
There's nothing underneath her anyway.
There's one right here.
Okay.
It's fresh.
This worm's fresh.
Don't peck me, please. If I get pecked, I get pecked. That's just...
Get underneath there.
Don't peck me, please. Oh, you're hiding a couple.
Okay, just one or two at a time. No more than that or you guys drop again.
Right now I'm checking underneath the chicken. See if it's hiding anymore. It appears not. I dropped an egg. It went flat.
Get it out of the way so you're not walking on it.
That one scared me. I thought it was gonna peck me. But in total we got 4 large eggs and 2 small ones. Not a bad haul. Alrighty guys, so now we have some wild bucks over there.
They're only a year old.
They're pretty epic. Alrighty, now we're gonna be taking some goats on some walks. This is my buddy Rocky right here. That's Billy.
One for each hand.
Good luck. Here. Let's just do this. You can do the same with that.
Billy, you guys have to calm down. I'm getting there.
Land there.
I'm sorry, Billy. Come on, Rocky. Come on, Billy.
You'll learn.
You okay? You okay?
You'll learn if you don't.
You're cool guy. Update, guys. They're a little bit more difficult. Hey, stop that! Don't do it. Don't think about it. Update, guys. They're a little bit more difficult than I thought. Don't headbutt them. Hey guys, I'm gonna walk the goats around the neighborhood. I can't see anything. The sun is in my eyes. Hey, don't nibble his ear. Alright, so I was trying to put the goats away. And then I was walking them. And then I hit my head on the trailer. Apparently really hard. It still kind of hurts. Alrighty guys, if you liked the video, like and subscribe.